If you can show up on a shoot and make people feel comfortable, that's 90% of the job done. If the client can tell that you're nervous about using the camera, they're already nervous about being on camera. So it makes things so much worse. The shooting itself has to be completely second nature. So all of my actual like emotional attention is going to the person I'm shooting and the client.
Right.
Because the whole thing is like from the moment they walk in the door, it's making them feel comfortable in our studio, and then sitting down, and then the lights hit them for the first time maybe ever in their life, and they're freaking out. So you have to be talking to them the whole time. You can't be fiddling around with your camera trying to figure out this setting or that. It has to be like second nature at a certain point, and that's where the confidence comes in. Like now I can go to any office with any lighting setup, any sort of like any sort of outlet situation, anything, and I know I can make something out of it, and I know I'm not going to be shook by what's thrown at me. And they can for sure feel that. And you do feel that in how they perform on the interviews.
Yep.